Atlanta, Georgia. Put on your party hats because your hometown bad boys are throwing a rock and roll party. Saturday, April 23rd. The roof is coming down. Blizzard of Ozzy, the world's best Black Sabbath Ozzy tribute band, teams with Pandora's Box, the ultimate Aerosmith experience. Saturday, April 23rd, 37 Main and Johns Creek. One night only, a collision of the bad boys from Boston with the godfathers of heavy metal. Blizzard of Ozzy, Pandora's Box. Get your tickets at the box office or online, www.37main.com. Pandora's Box, Blizzard of Ozzy.